Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we got ourselves something a little special, a little unique. Not perfect, but priced right. It's a 2016 Venture RV Sonic. The model number is 234VBH. This has one slide out and a bunk room in the back. Let me show you the slide out. It does have a roof mounted AC. Here's the slide out. Bunks out back here for the kiddos. All right, over here, it does have a power tongue jack. That battery will be fully charged or replaced if needed. Those two propane tanks, we'll fill them up. Folks, we are selling this with the 12-point inspection, including the battery and the filling of the propane tanks. Now, we're selling it as is, where is because of the issue. Let me cover the good and I'll show you the bad. Okay, walking into the Venture RV. Up front, we have the dinette with a removable table, and there's the Murphy bed behind it. I'll show you that here after. Quick view of the kitchen. Microwave, 2-burner stove, your sink with the cover. We got a Norcold fridge that works on propane and electricity. Love that skylight. We got storage over here. A beautiful bunk room here for the kids. So that converts into a bunk 2, bunk 3, and bunk 4. All right, again, I'm at the entry. This is where you'd mount your TV, your slide controls, power on and controls. Last but not least, the bathroom. A little bit of a tub, nice skylight, medicine cabinet. There we go, looking good. Okay, back to the Murphy bed. Step 1 is fold that table down, then put the cushions here in the middle. Little click here. 1 and 2. Let's go get the mattress. And ta-da! Just like that, folks. And you got a couple reading lights. Listen, I'm on a full disclosure kick here right now, so I do want to show you that this is ripped just slightly. All right, back to the full disclosure. The reason why we're selling this as is, where is, with the 12-point inspection. That is ripped. We're not fixing it. And here's the really bad, but not the end of the world. It looks like you can see delamination. So water has come in over here on this side. It does look like the previous owners have caulked it, and hopefully that is no longer leaking. Okay, so continuing from the rear delamination, this is the back wall. As you can see, there has been some previous water intrusion. It looks like it's no longer leaking, but it has leaked at one point, and that's not perfect. Otherwise, this slide floor is very solid. The rest of the trailer seems to be in excellent condition. Folks, if we don't sell this right here, right now, we are going to fix that over the winter time, and it will be a certified unit. And once it is a certified unit, the price will be well over $20,000. Pick it up today.